We're under attack. In fact, they're attacking each other. I've never seen so many birds. There's more down there. And now I need to Google them because I'm not quite sure what they're called.
There's one on the fence, two on the fence.
I'm sure they're blackbirds. Oh, we've got more invaders. Anyone think I've put bird seed out there?
Very funny. I want to feed them, but I don't want to now.
There's more turning up every minute. This is crazy.
We should get them.
They seem to have discovered a hell of a lot of worms. They're aerating our lawn. This one's just stabbing the floor. Oh. And creating some fisticuffs. Not that birds have fists.
Are there any more coming in or not?
I'm just eating an ice cream whilst watching these badgers.
I'm going to put them on Facebook.
Oh, they're gone!
I'm going to put them on Facebook and put our pet bears.
Oh, they're all back again!
3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. No, I think there's 16 because one flew off and one came back in. Well, he's got something on the grass over there, look, that he's wiping around on the floor.
He's cleaning it off, isn't he?
Is it?
We're trying to kill it. It must be a bug.
Watch out, bug. What do you reckon if I put bug out there, what will happen? Wait a minute, there's a different character just flown in over here. There's 2 blue ticks, I think.
Oh yeah. That's like a blue
What are they
tip
doing
thing.
there?
Well, they're probably wondering what's going on with all the blackbirds.
Do you think that fake bird?
Alright, gone. Back to the blackbirds.
They're not blackbirds because they've got things on their backs. They're starlings.
They're not starlings.
They have to be.
I'm going to Google it in a minute.
But they've all got patterns on them. Blackbirds are completely black or they're brown. The female ones are brown.
The rabbit's not happy. Shh, watching our birds.
Oh, come and watch the birds. Noise.
Oh man, I just dropped a bit of
You're
chocolate.
scaring the birds.
I eat that.
Go on.
Well, looks like they're going to be here for a while. So, we'll just leave with a shot of the scaffolding on the house opposite.